1 cup in the morning. Stronger joints and bones after 60, my friends. If you're over 60, you may have noticed your joints feel stiffer, your knees ached when climbing stairs, or your back doesn't feel as strong as it once did. What if I told you that just 1 cup in the morning could help strengthen your joints and bones naturally, protect you from fractures, and even give you more energy for the day? Sounds too simple? Stay with me, B, because today I'll share not only what to drink, but also which common foods silently damage your bones as you age, and what you should eat instead. As we get older, our bones naturally lose density. For women, this often accelerates after menopause. And for men, it can happen slowly but steadily after 60. The result, a higher risk of osteoporosis, fragile joints, and painful movements. But here is the good news. Your daily habits, what you drink first thing in the morning, and the foods you choose play a much bigger role than you might think. The morning cup. The first thing I want you to think about is your morning ritual. Instead of starting the day with sugary tea or coffee, try a cup of warm milk fortified with vitamin D. Oraven betera kupov. Bone strengthened green tea with a squeeze of lemon. Why? Milk with vitamin D provides the calcium and vitamin support your bones crave. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, called catechins, which reduce inflammation around the joints and keep them more flexible. Adding lemon helps your body absorb minerals more effectively. This 1 cup in the morning becomes like a protective shield for your joints and bones throughout the day. The hidden enemies, foods that damage bones. But here's the catch. While 1 cup can help you, there are also silent enemies in your kitchen that are quietly damaging your bones every single day. Let's talk about them. 1. Sugary drinks. Sodas and packaged juices pull calcium out of your bones. 2. Too much salt. Excess sodium makes your body excrete calcium in urine. 3. Refined foods, white bread, pastries, and fried snacks promote inflammation in your joints. 4. Excessive red meat. Large amounts of animal protein without balancing veggies can make your body acidic, leaching calcium from your bones. Most seniors stand to even realize how much these foods are hurting them until it is too late. Encouragement. The truth is, the little choices you make each morning and at mealtime can either build your bones stronger or weaken them day by day. But don't worry, because in the next part, I'll reveal the best bone-friendly foods you should eat instead, along with simple tips to naturally rebuild strength in your joints, even if you're already over 60. Bone-friendly foods to add now that you know the hidden enemies. Let us replace them with bone-loving foods that can truly make a difference. After 60 are some of the most powerful ones. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and collard greens are full of calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium nutrients that directly support bone density. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines provide omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, helping reduce joint inflammation and improving calcium absorption. 3. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds supply magnesium and healthy fats for stronger bones. 4. Beans and lentils, rich in protein, magnesium, and fiber. They help maintain muscle strength around your bones. 5. Prunes. Yes, even prunes. Studies showed they slow down bone loss in older adults. Daily habits that rebuild strength, but food alone isn't enough. Your bones and joints are like a bank you have to keep depositing into them daily. Here are 3 simple habits anyone over 60 can start today. 10 minutes of morning stretching loosens stiff joints and improves balance, lowering fall risk. Short walks. Even 20 minutes of walking outdoors boosts vitamin D and strengthens leg muscles. Strength exercises, light resistance bands, or lifting water bottles helps maintain bone density. Hydration and circulation. Another secret many seniors overlook is hydration. Dehydrated joints feel stiffer and weaker. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Add a slice of cucumber or lemon for extra minerals. Good hydration keeps your circulation strong and delivers nutrients to your bones where they need it most. Power of sunlight, and let's not forget the most natural bone supplement. Sunlight Just 15 minutes of gentle morning sun on your skin helps your body make vitamin D naturally. No pill can replace the power of sunshine. If you can, enjoy your morning tea outdoor sits, a simple change that multiplies the benefits. Reassurance? Friends, you don't need expensive treatments or complicated diets to protect your joints. By starting your morning with one powerful cup, avoiding foods that secretly damage your bones, and replacing them with nutrient-rich choices, you're already winning half the battle against aging bones. In the final part, I'll share a simple daily routine you can follow step by step from morning to bedtime that will keep your bones and joints strong even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Morning routine: start your day strong, begin your day with that one cup. We talked about your bone-strengthening morning drink. While sipping it, sit near a window or step outside for 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight. This boosts vitamin D and helps your body absorb calcium. After your drink, spend 5 minutes stretching. Gently roll your shoulders, stretch your arms, and bend your knees slowly. This wakes up your joints and reduces stiffness before the day begins. Mid-morning power snack. By mid-morning, instead of cookies or sugary snacks, try a handful of almonds or walnuts. Pair it with water or herbal tea. This simple swap gives your bones magnesium, protein, and healthy fats that keep joints flexible. Lunch bone builder plate at lunchtime. Aim for a colorful plate. Add leafy greens like spinach or kale, a serving of protein such as beans, lentils, or fish, and a small portion of whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. Remember, the more colors you add, the more nutrients your bones receive. Afternoon gentle movement: don't sit all day. After lunch, take a 15 to 20 minute walk. Movement sends fresh blood and nutrients to your bones and muscles. Even walking around the house or garden counts. If you feel energetic, use a resistance band or do light chair exercises to maintain muscle strength. Dinner lighter, healing meal. For dinner, keep it light but nourishing. Soups with vegetables, a portion of fish or chicken, and some beans make an excellent evening meal. Avoid heavy fried foods that slow digestion and add inflammation to your joints. Nighttime, bedtime routine. Before bed, enjoy a small warm cup of golden milk with a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric reduces inflammation, improves sleep quality, and strengthens your joints naturally. Finally, aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. This is when your bones repair, your joints recover, and your body truly rebuilds itself. Friends, aging doesn't have to mean weak bones or painful joints. With one powerful cup in the morning, the right foods during the day, gentle daily movement, and a calming night routine, you can enjoy strength, freedom, and energy well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Start today. Your body will thank you tomorrow.